Recording in progress.
Okay, let's start our session. Now the problem statement says that given 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of the quotient 8 to the power x divided by 2 to the power y? Now the solution. Now this equation connects y to x, i.e. there is a relationship between y and x. So we can replace one by another. So for the sake of easy reference, we'll name each equation in a sequential manner. So the first equation will be 3x minus y is equal to 12, which is given. Now, and the question statement asks for the term, which is the quotient 8 to the power x divided by 2 to the power y, and we'll call it in general f of x. Okay, so we have equation A and equation B. Now let's rearrange the terms appearing in equation A for the benefit of y. So y becomes 12 plus 3x. Simply shift y to the right side, bring 12 to the left side, and we can get an explicit expression for y as a function of x, which is equation C. Now replace y by its equivalence from equation C and put it into the denominator of equation B. So 2 to the power y becomes 2 to the power a bracket term, which is equal to 12 plus 3x. And this was found using equation C. Now substitute in equation B, which is the one which we are going to find its value. Okay, so f of x is equal to 8 to the power x divided by 2 to the power y. 8 to the power x remains the same. However, now the denominator 2 to the power y is replaced by 2 to the power a bracketed term equals to 12 plus 3x, and this was brought from equation B. Now we need to make further simplification. The first simplification has to deal with the fact that a to the power b plus c can be expressed in terms of a multiplication of two terms, or will be split into two terms. So this term, the combined term, becomes or can be split into a to the power b times a to the power c, and this is called equation F. So making use of equation F, the denominator in equation E, which is here, will become, so 2 to the power, this bracketed term now can be split into 2 to the power 12 times 2 to the power 3x. Now we call it equation G. Now we need to substitute equation G in equation E, which is the same equation here, and equation E becomes f of x, which is now a to the power x, 2 to the power y, and we made this previously, the substitution here. Now the new form is here, just utilizing equation G. So a to the power x now is divided by 2 to the power 12 times 2 to the power 3x, and this is called equation H. Now we need also to simplify the last term appearing in the denominator of equation H. So in general, we say that a to the power b times x can be put in the form of a to the power b, and then this bracketed term is raised to the power x. So this is called equation I. Now, based on that, 2 to the power 3x can be, in light of this equation I, can be put in the form of 2 to the power 3, close the bracket, and raised to the power x. 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So this term becomes 8 to the power x, and this is given equation J. In light of equation J, equation H, which is the last form here, will become f of x, a to the power x, divided by 2 to the power 12, divided by a to the power x. Now we notice that a to the power x will cancel out with a to the power x in the denominator. And finally, we end up with 1 over 2 to the power 12. And this is simple mathematics. We can use calculator, and we'll find that 2 to the power 12 is 4096. So 1 over 4096, which can be put in the fractional form or in scientific form, like 0.000244 or 2.44 10 to the power minus 4. And this is the final solution. Thank you for watching.